How you think I know, and how you think I feel.
Hey, this your host Cooking with the Rock. Always gonna make it look easy but good. And today we're gonna cook another item on my HomeRusso Air Fryer Oven. We're gonna cook country style ribs. Yes, country style rib. Because a lot of people is not familiar with this particular type of pork, but it's gonna be always good. So y'all stay tuned. Let me get this on together. What am I doing? Hey, this your boy Cooking with the Rock. Hey, always gonna make it look easy but good. And today what we got here is country style ribs. And what we gonna cook them is in my HomeRusso Air Fryer Oven. We gonna cook these today. So y'all stay tuned and follow me up on that. And if y'all like the kind of things I'm cooking, make sure you subscribe and like the button at the bottom. Thank you. Okay, here we go. We got our Creole, garlic, onion powder, plain old black pepper, and some paprika. And me, I always like cooking my chicken wings and stuff. I like to always, I don't know why, I like to put a little oil on my food first. Because it seems as if it keeps the meat moisturized. It keeps it moist. And it allows the seasoning to seep through. And I always like to let my meat set for a while. Always. So I always put me a little oil into my meat and marinate it. I guess it's like a marinade. I guess that's what it is. And I like it to sit for a while. An hour or two, you know? And let them seasonings and all that other stuff get in there. So that's what we gonna do here. So you go ahead with the oil and then you're gonna rub this around real good. Get it all up in that seasoning like you want. And like you can use your own seasoning, what you like to put in it. But you know, most of the stuff people use is just the same old thing. You know, garlic, onion powder. Slap your mama, slap her auntie too. You ever get that season, slap your mama and her auntie? Yeah, that's some good ass shit. Because most aunties and sisters are always in your business anyway. Okay, we're gonna let this sit and marinate it. Then we're gonna move on. Okay, I'm gonna put it on here for 435 for 40 minutes. Because this is a thick piece of meat, but I like to check it, so I think I'm gonna bring this down to like, let me see, 20 minutes. See what it's gonna do right there. Okay, we're gonna start it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the HomeRusso Air Fryer Oven. It's your boy, Cooking with the Rock. Oh, as you can see, I love this HomeRusso because it cooks tremendously good. As you can see how they is already, you know. I'm gonna turn them over. Let's see what these. And I usually always switch them up. I take the bottom ones and put them on the top. Okay, as you can see, it's getting there. So, turn them over. And I'm gonna put them on another 15 minutes, because this is a thick piece of pork and you got to know what you're doing when you're cooking these. Okay, we're gonna put it on another 14 minutes and we're gonna see what we got here, y'all. It's your boy, making it look easy. As you can see, they came out golden and beautiful. Always gonna make it look easy for y'all. You gotta get an air fryer. It's healthy for you. And like I say, make it look easy but good. This your host, Cooking with the Rock.
How you think